Kylie. I thought I'd pop up today and have a project to share with you all. I have made this little journal, junk journal, using some chipboard for a return happy mail. And I have used the Kaisercraft's Miss Betty collection. I've used the 12 by 12 paper sheets. This is what I've got left. The little 6.5 by 6.5 paper pad. So I've used quite a few bits and pieces in there, and I was going to make a cover with the lace, but my ideas changed as I went along. It's a really pretty collection. It's sewing base, so it's all great for those journals, notebooks and scrapbook kits. So that's a Miss Betty. I also use some collectibles. When I buy the collection, I always get 2 collectibles because I use quite a bit, and so I didn't have to use as much in my second packet. And I also use these wooden flourishes, and they're also sewing base, really cute. So let's have a look inside. I designed this little journal with some chipboard that I had in my stash, I reckon, for a good 10 years. And for my cover, I have used some of the collectibles from the kit, and this is from the wooden flourish pack. And I brought these cute little scissors from an Etsy shop here in Australia, sorry. It's quite a small little journal. It only measures like about 10.5 centimeters, 4 inches by, let's see, 14.8 centimeters, so that's nearly 6 inches, and the spine is about 3 centimeters, about an inch and a bit. I've designed it so the recipient can take out all the bits and pieces and use in her own projects. So it's I left it plain inside it, and I've got some tracing paper and a doily. This paper, it's really beautiful paper. And these are the collectibles, and this one is just tucked under here, so I've glued the little banner down. Just some plain white paper. Of course, these are just clipped in, so Jane can use them in her projects. And these are some little sewing charms that I purchased off of Etsy, and they just clip in. It's just with a plastic sleeve, and so I just thought I'd clip those in with a little collectible that Jane can use for whatever she needs to use it for a project. And this is a doily pocket, and I've used collectibles here, and I've punched out some tags. I didn't put no holes or ribbons in because I thought Jane might have a fancy hole punch or use her own ribbons. And these are cardstock backed on a heavy cardstock. And I just decorated here. That's on a glue dot, so Jane can take that off. It's just a little pocket with some more collectibles stuck inside. Back of the paper. Here is a little paper bag. I have adhered this to the paper bag and just a little tag, and this is using a Kaisercraft, I think it's called a library pocket die, and inside is some buttons. And this is also just ahead with some removable adhesive so Jane can use. Papers are absolutely lovely. On with the glue dot again. And some more collectibles that are just tucked under the little banner. Papers once again are just absolutely beautiful. They look so pretty, fussy cut, but I'm not very good at that. And here's just a side pocket with some more collectibles and a rose flourish from the wooden flourish, and just another plain tag. And this is the center of my signature. It's a hidden spine, and I watched a tutorial by Colour Tree Creations how to do that, and I'll link that below. I was very intimidated, but I gave it a go and it's quite easy. Just a stamped tag with some butterflies and a simple pocket. This one's just clipped in. It's another library pocket, and I've put some collectibles in from the wooden flourish, and inside I have popped some more flourishes in there and a little love heart die set that Jane can use, and I've got another dress form in there. And these are from AliExpress, the little button dies. So I'll just pop those back in there. Isn't that roller the key? So cute. And that just slides back up there. Another little pocket here that Jane can take off, and a simple tag. Some more collectibles inside the little pocket. Just some decoration. Just a simple tag with a tassel, paper tassel. This is the other side of the doily pocket, and I've placed some more blank tags which I've cut out from the paper collection. A side little pocket. This came from the paper pad, the 6x6 one, and I've just placed some more collectibles in there. Just use some repositional adhesive and some more collectibles in the pocket there, and this just sticks out. Really, really cute. Love those cotton, are they called cotton advertisements? And this is the end, and I just popped in the back here a shaker tag with some more goodies in there, and Jane can cut this open or use it however she would like to. Whoops. Oh dear me. Might have to fix that hole, I think. I don't win with my fuse tool. I can't win. And on my little tag, I've just got some silver scissors and a little pearl little charm there. So I'll have to fix that as soon as I finish before I forget. So that's my little journal. So very simple. I thought I'd just share with you some other little journals I'm in the process of making. It's the same size as the Miss Betty one, and this time I have used the PS I Love You collection, which is an old Kaisercraft collection, but I've had it in my stash. And this is just the chipboard innards, and so that's my signature all ready to go sewn in. And these are the collectibles that I'm going to put in there. And I've also got this one. This is the French Flea Market by Julie Nutting. So she's already all sewn in. She just needs the decorations, and I've cut out the journal cards from the 12 by 12 paper. And I've got my little ephemera pack. Just some tracing paper and the paper pad to make some pockets. Really pretty collection. I'm also in the middle of making a junk journal. This is a soft cover using some plain craft cardstock. And I've stamped my tags. We've got some stamps, tag stamps I should say. And this is a collection by Summer called Eternal Summer by Colour Tree Creations. It's a digital kit, so I've got all that to sew in yet, and this is the collection. So I've started to cut and fold and make up the envelopes that come with the kit. Beautiful kit, and I'm really looking forward to finishing this off. It's been a long process as I've been a bit unwell, so that's my little, what I'm doing at the moment, and a little project share. So thank you very much for popping in today and listening to my ramblings once again. So give the hidden spine signature a go. It's really easy. I could not believe how easy it is. Usually I don't like to go outside my box comfort zone because I stuff up, but I thought I challenged myself and it was super easy. So once again, I thank you so very much for stopping by. Until next time, take care and keep smiling, and I'll catch up with you again soon. Thanks guys, bye.